So, ito yung paligid ng Tanger Outlet. Ayan si George, oh. Ayun ang Westgate is just 3 miles from sa bahay namin. So, malapit lang. Ito, may mga Express Factory Outlet. Ayun yung Lululemon, Tommy Hilfiger. Ang daming tao, oh. Kasi it's weekend. So ngayon, papasok na kami dito sa loob. Ayan si George, so tambay pogi siya eh. Ito may mga free samples, oh. Oh, free samples daw lakay. O meron ganyan, oh. May mga nagtitindang mga ganyan dito. Tanger Outlet. So ikot-ikot lang kami. Ito, maraming mga mga clearance, 60% off. Pero still mahal pa rin. Ito yung Old Navy outlet, Olukay, tapos ito yung Adidas. So, lakad-lakad lang kami, titingin-tingin. Itong Levi's, merong 50% final winter sales. Pasok tayo. Ito yung favorite na na snack namin dito. Wet cells, pretzels. Mamaya yan, bibili kami kasi masarap. Oh, mayroon palang Victoria's Secret dito. Kala ko sa Dillard's lang. Kailan pa kaya ito? Dati walang Victoria's Secret dito eh. Ngayon meron na. So yan yung Nike. Yan yung Nike. Tsaka Gap Factory. So ito siya. Maganda.
Meron ng Victoria's Secret dito.
Oo nga, no. Yeah, pasok tayo dito sa Victoria's Secret.
Free 1 get 2.
Ito yung Skechers. Meron ding 50% sale of your second pair. Ayan na yung Oakley na hinahanap ni George. Kasi papapalitan niya yung yeah. Dito niya binili yung yan.
Nice. I like this.
Magkano yan? Oo nga, ang ganda.
More lang. This very cheap, guys. $271.
Mura daw ba? Mahal kaya.
But my wife doesn't like to buy $221, guys.
Yan, yung suot niya yan. Dito niya binili yan.
Kaya pumunta ako dito sa Oakley kasi may scratch na yung salamin. Kaya gusto kong papalitan. Available.
You want a different lens?
No, the same lens, but I just want to see if there's a scratch on the thing.
Okay. Are they polarized?
I don't know. Check it. Nah, I think no. It's not polarized.
No, they're not. I was say, let me see if I have some.
Yeah, I don't want the polarized though.
You do or you don't?
Don't.
Okay.
Say, they asked me if I want the polarized. I said no. It makes me dizzy once I wear the polarized. Sabi niya ano.
Both are free.
How much?
They're going to be $88.
Too expensive.
For one?
Well, it comes as a set, but yeah, it'll be.
Oh,
$88.
it's a set.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
This one could not be. Do you think you guys can remove?
I could try to clean it to see if that would help at all, but yeah, I'm gonna do it quick.
So, sabi niya, mag-order daw, ang isang set is
Mahal ah.
$88 kasi wala silang available right now.
No?
So he tried
So
to
I cleaned them up a little bit, but a lot of these scratches are like surface scratches or hairline scratches. So if you check them out, they're still going to be all there.
Oh, it's still there.
But I got like the smudges and stuff off. So I'd say your best bet is we could order it, or if you wanted to order it at line, it's a FLAC 2.0.
so order it today and then
It should be here by the end of next week.
end of next week. Yeah, we still have time.
Yeah.
There's a lot of scratches, right?
There are a lot of scratches. I could always also call up to Arrowhead. It's like 10 or 15 minutes up the road. We have another Oakley store.
Arrowhead,
They might have them. I would say if you don't want to wait,
you can deliver it today?
you would have to go pick it up. They want to deliver it.
And they can install it, right?
Yes. Yep. I would say if they have them, they can pop them in free
Oh,
right then and
okay,
there.
okay.
You want me to call up there?
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
absolutely.
Okay.
Ito, ang dami oh. Yan.
So he will call
Yan oh, scratch oh.
the Oakley Arrowhead daw kung meron silang available. So, nag-order tapos bumili siya ng list
It's gonna ask if you'd like to make a donation.
which is $13. Yung parang string ba? Na para hindi malaglag yung kwan. Yung sunglasses is ano na? $15 na. Plus tax. But it's fine.